The next word is belated. It means being late. The memory key to remember this word is the word belated sounds like being late. Now imagine that in the hurry of catching a flight, you forgot your friend's birthday and now you are late in wishing her. Hence, you will say belated happy birthday because you are being late. तो अगर आप हैप्पी बर्थडे बोलने में लेट हो गए हो तो हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं belated happy birthday. Hence belated means being late. So synonyms are delayed, overdue and tardy. Antonyms are punctual and timely. The next word is distill. It means to extract the essential elements out of something. Now, the memory key is the word distill sounds like be still. So now just imagine a scenario. एक साइंटिस्ट अपने केमिकल से बात कर रहा है और साइंटिस्ट उस केमिकल को बोल रहा है be still so that I can extract the essential elements out of you. So be still, said the scientist to the chemical as he proceeded to extract the essential elements out of it. Hence, distill means to extract the essential elements. Synonyms are condense and extract. Antonyms are dirty and pour. The next word is ethereal. It means something which is heavenly or spiritual, something that seems too perfect for this world. The memory key to remember this word is the word ethereal. Sounds like, is this real? Ethereal, is this real? आप इस चीज को इस तरीके से इमेजिन करिए कि अगर आपके सामने बेहद खूबसूरत चीज आ जाए, so that will be called as ethereal beauty. So now, after the snowfall, Kashmir's beauty increases tremendously. So many tourists just exclaim, is this real? It is so heavenly. अविश्वसनीय है ये चीज, इतनी सुंदर, इतनी heavenly. That expression is ethereal. तो ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा adjective है. अगर आपको किसी की तारीफ करनी हो तो you can tell her that she is an ethereal beauty. So the synonyms are exquisite, celestial, divine. Antonyms are worldly, clumsy and dull. The next word is fauna. It means animals of a period or a region. The memory key for this is the word fauna sounds like foe, na. Na is a negative expression. Foe means enemy. So the teacher was trying to explain to the students that most animals found in the jungles of India are friendly and not our foes. So the fauna of Indian jungles is not our foe. They are not our enemy. They are friends. So fauna means the group of animals. Synonyms are animal group, animal life. This particular word does not have any antonyms. The next word is feral. It means existing in a wild or untamed state. The memory key for this word is the word feral has a word fur in it. A lot of animals with fur are wild and untamed and thus should be approached with caution. The feral stands for animals with fur which actually exist in a wild and untamed state. So the synonyms are animal or ferocious. Antonyms are tamed. The next word is imminent. It means something which is about to happen. So now the memory key will be the word imminent sounds like similar to immediate. So imminent is something that is going to happen immediately. As you can see in the animation, a man for whom falling is imminent, he is going to fall immediately. So synonyms are inevitable, looming, approaching, impending. Antonyms are avoidable, unlikely and distant. Synonyms में से दो words काफी important है जो आपको याद रखने, that is inevitable. Inevitable का मतलब होता है unavoidable, जो होना ही है, and impending, जो होने वाला है. तो ये दो synonyms अगर आप याद रखोगे तो एग्जाम्स में काफी बार ये सब पूछा जाता है. The next word is posterity. It means descendants and future generations. The memory key to remember this word is, it is made up of two words, that is post plus inherit. Post means as in future. So naturally future generations will inherit the property. तो अगर मेरे पास पैसा है, लैंड है, प्रॉपर्टी है, तो मेरी फ्यूचर जनरेशंस ही उसको इनहेरिट करेंगी. तो इन फ्यूचर जो भी मेरी चीज को इनहेरिट करेगा, that will be called as posterity. Hence the synonyms are offspring, progeny, lineage. Antonyms are ancestor and predecessor. The next word is prelude. It means introductory. Introductory performance or event. Forerunner. किसी चीज को start करने से पहले जो introduction होती है, that is called as prelude. The memory key for this word is, the word prelude is an opposite of conclude. हम सबने conclusion word का नाम सुना है, ठीक है. बाहुबली द conclusion, ये मूवी आपने देखी होगी. तो conclusion का मतलब होता है the ending. तो अगर उसका opposite prelude होता है, तो उसका मतलब है the starting, introduction. So if prelude is the beginning, conclude is the ending. Synonyms are introduction, preface, prologue. Antonyms are conclusion, epilogue, ending. The next word is quail. It means to lose heart in the face of difficulty, to shrink with fear, dar jana, cowardly nature. This is called as quail. The memory key for this word is, the word quail sounds like fail. अब आप imagine करिए कि अगर आप fail हो गए, तो आप अपने पापा के सामने बहुत ही डरते हुए जाएंगे. So if you fail in your exams, you will definitely quail in front of your parents. So those who fail generally quail. तो जो लोग फेल हो जाते हैं उनको डर लगता है. So quail means to lose heart in the face of difficulty. The synonyms are flinch, recoil, tremble. Antonyms are face and meet. The next word is recurrent. It means something which occurs again and again. The memory key for this word is, the word recurrent has a word current in it. Current means electricity, and I must tell you there is a big problem of electricity in North India. There are very recurrent cuts of electricity in North India. So electricity cuts are widespread and occur again and again. Hence recurrent means occurring again and again. So something which occurs again and again, जो चीज़ बार बार होती रहती है, उसको हम recurrent बोलते हैं. तो electricity cuts बहुत बार नॉर्थ इंडिया में होते रहते हैं, स्पेशली समर सीजन में तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. सो आप इस चीज़ को इस तरीके से याद कर सकते हो, दैट इलेक्ट्रिसिटी कट्स आर रेकरेंट इन नॉर्थ इंडिया. सिनोनिम्स आर repeated, periodic, continual. Antonyms are sporadic. The next word is wade. Wade means to walk with effort through water, to move or proceed with difficulty. Now, the memory key for this word is, the word wade sounds like invade. Now, imagine that a foreign king wants to invade a nation, but for this he has to cross a river, and it is very difficult for him and his army to actually invade because there is river in between, and it is very difficult to move or proceed through that river. So wade is to walk through water and with difficulty. Synonyms are paddle, plod and splash. Antonyms are avoid and pause.